Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created this lavender sugar skull. We're going to start off by using the Khairen purple face paint and outline the shape that we would like. Today I'll be doing a half sugar skull and see how that goes, but you can go ahead and do a full sugar skull if you would like. Then after I'm done with the shape, I'm going to do the nose, which I start one line in the middle and then just kind of piece everything together. There's so many different ways that you can do the nose. You can just Google some pictures online and see what shape you want to go with. Then I outlined the perimeter and created some teeth using the black face paint, and this I'm using the Snazaroo palette. And then I'm going to move on to the eye sockets, and I have to apologize, I did this live, so you see me talking. I was talking to the people that were on the live there, so I apologize for that. But moving on, we're getting the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab some natural tones shadows. I will be using this shadow as a transition shade. Next, from the James Charles palette, I'm going to grab some of that dark purple there and then apply it to my eyelid and try to blend that out as much as possible. And then with this NYX Epic ink liner, I'm going to give myself a little bit of a wing liner here and apply some falsies using my tweezers. And also I'm using the Duo eyelash adhesive for this. And I went ahead and I grabbed some more of that purple shade that I use on my eyelid, and I'm gonna put it on top of the black paint that I used earlier, just to soften that line up. It also gives it some sort of dimension. And I'm also gonna add like a little triangle shape on the teeth area just to make them look a little more tapered, and smear that up, and then just add a little bit of more purple and black shadow on my temples and my teeth, around my nose and my eye sockets. With the same purple face paint that I used for my face, I'm going to be outlining my lips and adding a little bit of purple eyeshadow on top of that just to give it some depth. And here I'm applying some white face paint into the teeth. I touched up my foundation, and then I added a little bit of the Duo eyelash adhesive so I can place some rhinestones. And with this, you just place the glue wherever you would like some rhinestones, and using this cool gem picker that I got on Amazon, I used that to grab the rhinestones to apply them on my face, and this makes my job so much easier. Now I'm applying some falsies on the bottom lash area just to open up my eyes a little bit more. And again, with the same lash glue, I'm just designing some swirls on my forehead, and with a little brush I'm dipping into some glitter and applying the glitter on top of that glue. Now to give this a little more dimension, I grabbed the same face paint, the purple face paint that we used in the beginning, to outline those swirls and around my nose. And then with some black face paint, I outlined that purple face paint to make it even a little more darker, and just like it's gonna make it stand out so much more. So all the products that I'm using here, I will be linking in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. We're pretty much done. I'm just applying the final details and we're good to go. If you like this look, make sure you check out my other videos too. I have 30 that I would like to upload before October 31st, so that's going to be fun. And here she is finished.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.